You've got a summit coming up later on this month called Digital with Purpose, the sort of movement that you're driving. And in fact, Huawei's a sort of partner in that, a co-founder in that. What is it that you want that summit?
Digital technologies are fundamental to address climate change. Every single piece of research that GeSI has been doing since 2007 shows that the more we deploy digital technologies, the better it is, the greater contribution that we are giving to address climate change and to bring down carbon emissions. The thing is that from a policy standpoint, we have not been seeing enough support to this agenda. There is a lot of focus on the problem side and not a neat focus on the solution side. And so we thought, well, we need really to step up. We need to really to put something in place. We need to make this call to the world, organize this summit.
Huawei has a more bits, less watts approach, obviously pushing for digitalization, as you say, and low carbonization to get this shift to green development. Do you think those twin elements are absolutely critical to making the advance that you want to see?
When I met first Huawei, it was a company of 17,000 employees. And now is a big company with a huge capacity in terms of innovation. The company has been doing huge investments on R&D. It's one of the most fascinating companies in the marketplace. And what Huawei has been doing is extremely important for this conversation, because this company has been really developing the solutions that we need to put in the market. And their approach is the right one. But this is not only related to the Huawei. So I think it's important that Huawei understands that its products will be fundamental and key to contribute to climate change and to a better society in the future. Because the digital repurpose is a vision, is about how can we collectively make an impact towards 2030, the Sustainable Development Goals. And what we have developed, we developed a set of metrics that they have not been designed to create problems to the companies. They have been designed to help the companies on their journey. And we are not asking the companies to say, okay, tell me that you'll be reducing 20 or 30%. What we are telling the companies is that walk the talk, progress, show me how you are progressing. And we attach the certification model to that with different layers that we call it we call it the road to the sky. So, it's about an ambition, it's about getting there. So if in 10 years time, a company is halfway, it's good. And the other thing about digital repurpose is that when we develop the metrics, we develop both for the footprint and for the handprint. For the first time, there is no other framework in the marketplace that takes the two things into consideration. So you need to bring the sustainability dimension top down, to the procurement, marketing, sales, design of products, and so on and so on. So once you do that, you have the instrument to address the footprint and the handprint, basically. And that's what we put in place. And that's why I called it digital repurpose, a tool, basically. And I'm very happy that Huawei joined this process as a company, a huge company with lots of difficulties and challenges, but that the company said, okay, we want to step up in this journey. And I think with the technologies that this company has at hand, the impact can be really scaled up, and then it's about delivering and putting in place. And the conference is about empowering, it's about accelerating, it's about scaling and delivering. And this conference at the end will come up with a roadmap, with an agenda that we'll be carrying to the next conference. So this conference is not about talking, this is an action-driven conference. We need innovations, we need a new dimension in our industry that really a response to the critical challenges that we are facing. We hope that the Digital Repurpose Summit will come out with the solutions, and all the stakeholders, the private sector, the public sector, and the different stakeholders will engage in this journey, which is an action agenda to respond to the world's problems. And we are happy that Huawei is really supporting this agenda. The company, by stepping up, is helping GeSI and the digital world to address the problems that we are facing today.